to do this sweet-looking Corvette, Chris?
Well, yes, I am. Are we ready, Jake the Snake?
I'm ready.
All right. My name is Christopher. Guy behind that camera is Jake the Snake. We're at Fastlane Classic Cars. Like and subscribe.
It's above his head.
It's right above my head. There's our phone number, I guess. And this is a 2006 Corvette C6 with an LS2 motor. It's got about 400 horse. This particular car has 58,000 miles on it. It's red. It's a convertible. It's got the push button start. It's got the push button exit and entry on the door. It's got a trunk. It's got kind of the newer stuff for 2006.
Yeah, this is when the Corvette started becoming nice.
Yes.
Really nice. You got a nice head unit and stuff. You got floor mats back here. Actually, a lot more room than I would think out of a convertible.
Out of
Corvette.
a convertible. And
yes.
Guess what? That top?
Automatic.
Automatic top. It's no longer the manual tops, which is nice.
Yeah.
It's just they got a little bit more buttoned up, if you will. Beautiful silver wheels, and the interior is very comfortable.
There's the electric popper, like you said, for the door. Doop. Hit that little button. We got Corvette scribed on the sills.
I love that.
Beautiful tan interior, no cracks, no scratches, no nothing, no rips. There's our touchscreen head unit, and it flips out if you want to put a DVD in there or a CD.
Sure.
And you got some flappy paddle up and down shift on the steering wheel because it's an automatic.
It is an automatic. It's a red. It's convertible. The C4s and C5s you kind of had to fall into and then push yourself out. This is a lot easier to get in and out. Take it from an old guy who's wearing white shoes. It's absolutely an easier car to get in and out of. Jake, why don't we take it for a spin?
Let's drive it.
Let's do it. No idea why I'm doing this, Jake.
Look at the electric top. Oh, it flips. Keep holding it. It goes down by itself. You twist it.
Twist.
Pull it down and twist. And then pull. Oh, it's latched.
Nice.
Here's your mic, good sir.
Hello, and thank you. I figured you wanted to see it.
Boy, that was easy.
It was. You just press the button. And
look,
away we go.
Power windows.
Oh,
Because new car stuff.
Hey, let's not forget about these things we're putting on ourselves.
Seatbelts?
Seat belts.
They are important.
Well,
You should wear them, kids. Oops.
Yep, and don't smoke.
Don't smoke.
You have to say that a lot because we keep talking.
Well, it's because we always got cigarette lighters. I don't think this one has a cigarette lighter, though.
You know what it does have, though? Heated seats.
It does have heated seats right down here. I'm going to turn mine on low.
Well,
And then this little circle button turns it off.
also, just to let you guys know, I lied about the mileage. It's 54,181 miles.
Oh, it's even less.
I said 58.
And the steering wheel is electric to adjust it.
Oh, nice.
It's right there on the side. Goes up, down, left, right, forward, backward. Push button start, like you said.
Love it. It's got a G meter.
G meter. Are we going to pull some G's in this thing?
I don't think so. You know me. I don't drive that quick. I don't like to throw all the frijoles in the car.
But I mean, look at this. We got the touchscreen head unit. This is so much more modern than the C5.
Oh my God.
Let's get that out of the way.
And it's so comfortable.
They took a huge step with the C6, and it's such a bang for your buck car. These are some of the best sports cars you can get for the price.
Yes.
We're going northwest right now. We have a little compass in our mirror, as well as OnStar and some like emergency help button or something, and a calling button. You got everything. Everything you'd ever want. Oh, good pickup.
Really nice pickup.
LS2 is good.
LS2 is just fine. 400 horsepower, please. That's plenty of horsepower.
And this is well before they started putting massive iPads and screens everywhere. So you have real buttons for like your AC controls and stuff. Much, much, much easier to use than anything that has come recently. And look, there's the little DVD slot and a CD slot behind your head unit in case you want to watch TV.
You can put money back there or anything you want.
You could hide stuff.
Absolutely. 0.31 G's.
Oh, wow.
She's got some
like
pep.
It's got a lot of pep.
It does. It's an automatic. I'll tell you right now, this is a really smooth driving Corvette.
And when they switched to these LS engines, not only did they become more powerful, they also became more reliable.
Mm-hmm.
54,000 miles is barely broken in for this thing. You could go for another 200,000 if you take care of it.
Take care of it, kids. Change your oil, change your fluids.
Change your oil, change your fluids. This car will be just fine.
Absolutely. And it's red.
And it's red. Who doesn't like a little red Corvette? Prince did.
Prince loved it. That's prior to your birth, but 79, I believe.
I still know the song.
Well, good.
Also,
Good.
over here to the sides of the steering wheel, you have nice buttons for your fuel economy, your trip meter, all kinds of stuff.
Oh.
Options.
I love options.
You love options. You
doesn't
love to
love
have
options?
options.
I like to have many options.
And boy, my
there
heated
goes
seats.
my seat.
My heated seats really starting to
Look
warm
how
my
low
boat.
I went.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
much lower than I was.
Power seats. We didn't mention that.
We did not mention the power
But
seat.
of course they're power. It's a newer car.
Why wouldn't they be? I'm putting this down here because of my
Yeah.
beard. Wow, now I can see the G meter a whole lot better. I know how fast I'm going.
You got a heads-up
RPMs.
display up there?
You're darn right I got a heads-up display.
Let's see if I can see the heads-up display.
See if you can see it.
I don't. Oh, I can a little bit. It's not focusing, but you can see it over there.
Don't worry, the driver can see it just fine. And I am going
You
the
do
speed
have
limits.
some buttons to the left of the steering wheel. That's how you adjust how high or low the heads-up display is. Those little
This one right
arrows.
here?
No, the arrow buttons. Up on a little higher.
Oh, there they are.
Yes.
Oh, neat.
You can move the heads-up display up and down with those.
Oh, I like
in case
that
it's
a
not
lot.
in a comfortable spot for you.
In case you're small. Small. SM all.
SM all small.
Mm-hmm.
This is a wonderful car.
I like it a lot. I
gonna-
think the heater works too
Yes,
well.
the heater works very well. So does
My
my heated
goodness.
seat that I'm not
Why
going
is
to turn
this
off.
on?
Because we
Those
have
need
them
to
on.
go off. Yeah, but they need to go off. Oh, did I turn them on? Ah, they're off now.
Ah, yes.
I fixed it. There's a lot of buttons on here, folks.
There's a lot of buttons, but not too
I like
many.
it. Not really. I mean, on and off with the AC. Got the heads-up display.
That's pretty much it. We also have some selective ride modes down here. We're in Tour.
Oh,
Flip it to Sport.
what's happening?
Firms up the suspension and stuff. Makes it a little bit
Oh.
sportier of a ride.
Very
I'm going to put
nice.
it back in Tour because we're trying to be comfortable right now.
And I like it to be a grand tour, like, of course, the great parts.
Which is exactly what this Corvette is, a grand tour, especially in the convertible version.
Grand tour. Yep, and I
Then-
like it. And it's so quiet with the convertible top up.
Yeah.
Let's be
With
honest.
the windows up and everything, it's good sound deadening.
Deep.
Whereas, you know, convertibles that came before, just wind noise.
Wind
A
noise.
lot of wind noise.
and your
This,
feet
not
get
so
hot.
much.
Nope.
We also
I
have
love
our
this
traction
car.
control button down here next to the selective
Oh.
ride because they know how to party over at Chevrolet.
They know how to party.
And we know how to party too because we're at our stop sign. You know what that means?
I think I'm going to give it a wee bit of beans.
A wee bit of beans. We'll let this Chevy Malibu get ahead of us. And then we'll do a bean test. Are you ready?
I am.
Oh!
35 miles an hour.
Yep, that
Nice.
was 35.
Woo!
Not 75,
Nope.
35.
That's not what that said.
Whew. That was a pretty good amount of beans.
That was a crazy amount of beans. I surely didn't expect it.
Corvette's
and
got
stop
good
calling
beans.
me Shirley.
So, I am
Sometimes.
serious, and don't call me Shirley.
Surely you can't be serious. I am serious.
Don't call me Shirley. What a
Leslie Nielsen, greatest human of all time. We'll do a flyby.
We'll do
That's
some
what you've been
flybys.
Trying to say. Don't say drive-by. My God.
No,
what's
we're
wrong
not
with
going
you,
to do a
man?
drive-by. We're going to do some flybys.
Oh, look, Coca-Cola's out there. Are they giving away soda?
Probably not.
Let's go. I want free soda. I didn't even get to pull a G.
It has beans.
It does have beans. This is a Corvette, for the love of Mike. This is a great little vehicle, and I love it, and you should drive it home.
Let's go.
Let's go.